It's a dirty pool, Barry.
Just until Joe and Cisco get back. Please. Hey, we located Bates. He was impersonating his grandma.
Barry, do not let him touch you.
Or let him see you use your super speed.
Well, how am I supposed to catch him?
The old-fashioned way. Run like a normal person.
Okay, all right. Oh, man.
Barry, it's me.
Hello. You?
I think I've figured out a way to stop our shapeshifter from morphing into other people.
Oh, really?
What if I create a serum that will terminate the polymerization reaction, essentially forcing the bonds to revert to their original form, stopping him from being able to control his power?
You can do that.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Look, about last night, I can't imagine how hard this must be for you. I mean, I know how desperate you are to solve your mom's murder. But let's just bury the hatchet and go back to Star Labs, figure out how to catch this everyman.
Every man?
Everything.
No, I kind of like it.
Okay, good. Me too. Hey, good to go. Just need to give it a little spin.
Oh,
Thank,
right. Yes.
thank you.
Spin.